So, my dear friends, hello, Electric Uncle, Hat Wale, again with you with a new project. You know, ours is a free education platform to help the needy students related to free education as well as to provide material to the students who are under poverty line. So, just we need your help to promote it. Watch, always subscribe the video. It is multi-tech education for you. A free platform for everybody for education, but material for the students below poverty line. We have just started. So, if you subscribe, push the bell, share it, it will be a great help to promote our this free education platform. At the moment, I am alone and pushing up the things, and we have so many contents, means whatever student want to learn, he can find in our videos like PCB designing, programming, coding, and lighting effects, LED effects, basic videos for basic knowledge. So let us start. So last time we were here and we learned some trimming work of the video, whatever we don't need. So we will repeat it again little. So we will select the video and come to the scissor and start trimming. Now you can see on the playhead we have cut it. Now from here we will choose left of playhead. So it will trim the left side of it. So now this is in between. We can delete it from the bucket also, from here. Or otherwise we could have done that, we could have selected right. We will come back. Now we are again on the same video. This is the capture of your clip. Now you want to capture it as an image. Come here, capture and add it as a clip. So we added it as a clip. You can add as a layer also. So we can bring it down, up, and we can save it in our KineMaster's capture folder. So see, I have put this from layer on the corner. So you can do anything, play with it. This is capture and save. If I will capture and save, it will go to my KineMaster capture folder, and anytime I can use it. This is the capture folder. See, I have captured so many times. It has come here. Again I can select it from here. On main media it will come. And if you want to on layer, come in the layer, select media from inside the layer. So now again we will come to the original video and we'll start with something new. You see, this is the screen we can bring when there are so many layers coming down. So sometimes some layers are not visible. So you can work on it. You can enlarge it and work on it. You will see all the layers here. So again we can come on the same screen from here. This is, I told you before also, to move to end, move to start, first process, beginning. So that's all. So it was the repetition, and hope you might have practiced it in my last video. You learned it from there. And now we will start with something new today. So repetition is always better. I don't know how many times I have repeated. I did not to see anything like this and that. So now we will select something else. We will come to our Google Drive and we will start telling you something about the rotation. Now see, you can add, already I have that clip. I can add it anytime to make my video beautiful. Already I have saved these small clips in KineMaster folder. So whenever I need, I just take it out, can use as a main media or as a layer also. So now let us select one more background, and on this background we will start working something about the rotation. So I will bring my another video which I have to edit, for which I have to make rotation from the layers. I will go to layer, I went to layer, from the layer to media, media to hair, so that it will come on the layer, not on the main media. Layer media, we can say that. So that when it will come on the layer, we can edit it in any way. So I am going to tell you how to make the rotation of this video, which I bring in layer, as a layer. So now I have selected it. We can trim it, we can crop it, we can make rotation of it, and then how to start the rotation, at which angle from in starting and at the end. So now I am preparing it, cropping it. So it's okay. Now I will make the rotation of it. At the top right there is a symbol for rotation, and now I have clicked the key. You know, there is one small dot on the layer video which I am editing. Now I bring it at the end, push the circle's right button at the right side. You may be seeing it. I will click it here. So I have chosen my complete video, both the ends, with these two dots, with the help of the key at the left side above the bucket. Now I bring it again in the starting. Now I will make the position of my video in starting what I want. See how it is rotating, it will come back in the same way. So I make it rotation in the left side and will fix up it somewhere. It's okay. So from here it will start rotating. Now we will come to the end. At the end position again we can adjust it. We can make rotation at the right side so that it will move towards right. Like that it will move. In the starting we keep it left side down. Now right side is up. Just you have to, nothing to do, make right click at the top, and let us see what effect is coming. You see it has started rotating, and our main video has started after that. So in front I bring this background, then this video in layer, then I use the click this key to make one dot, another dot at the end, and again bring to the start, make the position, then go to end, again make the position. So it starts rotating. Now let us see. Now I will go to media and give it to some effect. I selected a sticker from the layers. Now I will choose one sticker from here and I will put it on. See, our play head should be on that video where we are going to give this effect. Check the play head. It is in the center, so it will come in the center on that part only. Now we can enlarge it, this sticker effect. It looks like that from the top the light is coming. So but it is little right. We have to bring it down with this complete background. Now see the effect. You see that the light is coming from the top. So like that, if you will make practice, you can do anything. And in the last, you can make beautiful. Now I have added on the media, main media, my logo. I can add some other clip also. I have added this clip also going to my media from my Google Drive folder. So you can add anything to give the final touches for this video. And now you can say our video is complete in all respects. We have given the effect, we have added stickers, we have added small clips from our Google Drive which I made before and saved it so. So it makes it easy. When you work hard, you should save that so that you can use it again and again. Now see, the hand is moving. I don't want so many times. So I want to edit it. I will cut this video from here so that my time will be saved. I will trim it from the right side. I will bring it to the playhead, select, then make trim to right of the playhead so that this extra time will be saved. Now it is trimmed and you see the effect of that trimming. So trimming is must. You should have practice. You see, now it will stop here. I have saved my time. Again the next clip has come. This I made. In the next video I will tell you how to write on it. So gentlemen, I think this is enough for today. See, I made it in 3 parts for you to take it easily, not in hurry. I am not going to catch a flight from the airport. I am not missing my flight. So I used to make the things in an easy way, not so fast, leaving so many things. So you should understand. And see, watch, now our video is ready for the download, and download is at the top right corner. From there you can download this clip, and from the gallery you can bring it to your windows. So just make practice. In next video I will show you this, how to write it, the multi-tech education for you. In the next video I will give you how to remove the background of a video and all these effects, how to write it. Thank you.